Cruise lines will never tell you this, but some cabins are basically guaranteed to ruin your vacation. Stick around. I'm revealing the exact 10 locations to avoid in 2026 so you actually get the relaxing trip you paid for. All right, let's get straight to it. The official 2026 Do Not Book list. We're counting down from 10 to the absolute worst offender. These are the cabins that keep showing up in cruiser horror stories year after year, and the new megaships launching in 2026 haven't fixed them. Number 10, cabins with connecting doors, unless you booked both. These are two staterooms joined by an internal door. Fantastic for families. Terrible for everyone else. The connecting door is nowhere near as soundproof as a normal wall. You'll hear the TV, conversations, kids crying, or the couple next door having a good time. Multiple cruisers in 2025 reported banging on the wall at 2 a.m. because the neighbors were partying. Always check the deck plan and skip these, unless you control both rooms. Number 9, gimmicky interior balcony cabins. Think Royal Caribbean's Central Park or Boardwalk balconies, or Norwegian's ocean view rooms that look into a water slide. You paid for a balcony, but you get strangers staring straight into your room while you're in your pajamas. Privacy? Zero. The novelty lasts about 30 minutes. After that, you're just living in a fishbowl. Number 8, cabins directly above or beside the casino. Smokers, slot machine bells, and loud celebrations until 3 a.m. Even on non-smoking ships, the ventilation systems often push that casino air straight into nearby hallways and cabins. If you're not gambling, this location is a hard pass. Number 7, cabins near the ship's anchor. Usually forward on the lower decks. When the crew drops or raises the anchor, especially at 6 a.m. in tender ports, it sounds like someone is jackhammering your ceiling. The entire room shakes. You'll be awake before your alarm. Number 6, low-deck aft cabins near the engines. The very back of the ship on decks 3 through 5. You get a nice wake view, but you also get constant low-frequency vibration that travels through the floor and into your bed. On some ships, you'll also wake up to black soot on your balcony furniture. Not the relaxing vibe you booked. Number 5, cabins one deck above nightclubs or the theater. Bass from the late-night dance party or the final curtain call at 11:30 p.m. will thump straight through the floor. Even with earplugs, many light sleepers say they still feel the beat in their chest. Check what's directly below your cabin on the deck plan. If it says nightclub or theater, keep scrolling. Number 4, forward cabins on higher decks. The very front of the ship, especially decks 9 and above. You feel every pitch and roll of the ocean way more than midship. Seasickness sufferers report these rooms turn a mild swell into a roller coaster ride. If you get motion sick easily, midship lower decks are your safest bet. Number 3, cabins right next to elevator banks or main stairwells. Constant dinging, people waiting and chatting, drunk passengers at 2 a.m., kids running, and doors slamming. It's like trying to sleep in a busy hotel lobby. Even 1 or 2 doors away is noticeably quieter. Avoid anything directly adjacent. Number 2, cabins directly under the gym or sports court. Weights dropping at 6 a.m., treadmills pounding, basketballs bouncing, or Zumba classes thumping through the ceiling. The sound travels straight down. Cruisers who stayed here say they felt like they were sleeping under a fitness studio, because they were. Number 1, cabins directly below the pool or Lido deck. This is the undisputed champion of cabin nightmares in 2026. At 6:30 a.m., the crew starts dragging hundreds of metal lounge chairs across the deck. That scraping sound is legendary. Then comes the music, the kids running, the adult pool games, and footsteps all day long. Countless cruisers say this single location ruined their entire vacation. No matter how good the deal looks, do not book anything on the deck immediately under the pool. So there you have it, the 10 cruise ship cabins you should officially ban from your 2026 booking list. Avoid these locations, and you'll dramatically increase your chances of actually relaxing on vacation instead of fighting for sleep. Quick pro tip: before you hit confirm, pull up the ship's deck plan, zoom in on your cabin, and look at what's directly above, below, and beside it. Read the most recent reviews for that exact room number. It takes 2 minutes and can save your entire cruise. If this video saved you from a bad booking, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next cruise hack. Drop your own worst cabin story in the comments. I read every single one. Safe sailing in 2026. I'll see you on the next one.